With all things health and well show. Well, guess what, guys? I'm back here with my second video for the day now. As I said, I would be here, so I am here with you in the moment. Today on this video, what we are going to be doing is we're going to be speaking about the top 5 best cryptocurrencies within the top 20 cryptocurrencies at the moment, and where are basically some of the safest places to put your money. And we're referring to altcoins here, not Bitcoin at this moment. As we all know, Bitcoin is a wonderful place to be. Very good place to have your gold 2.0 portfolio. And basically, when you take profits from your altcoins, you should put them into your Bitcoin, and just keep adding to your Bitcoin portfolio like that. But altcoins can make you good money over short, medium, and long-term periods of time. And this is where and why I'm going to be showing you the top 5 coins. So let's get straight into this video right here, right now. All right, guys. So coming back to the channel right here, right now, please remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you can get cracking on these videos and this content, following me just like that, so that you know which coins to get yourself into. Anyways, guys, straight up, first coin is, of course, coin number 2, which is Ethereum. Ethereum is currently sitting here with a $152 billion market cap, and pretty much makes up for 25% of Bitcoin's volume and about 45 odd percent of Bitcoin's market cap, which is pretty decent for Ethereum. Okay, and so if it's 152 billion market cap today, as we all know, but the crypto market cap, whenever it might hit, it will reach an eventual $200 trillion market cap, which means that from the current 890 billion, or nearly close to 1 trillion, means your money would basically 200x. Okay, so that would be the combined total crypto market cap, not necessarily just Bitcoin and Ethereum. So let's go and have a quick squiz at Ethereum and see what Ethereum's doing, where it's been, and where it could potentially go. I'm going to do exactly the same for the other one, so hold on tight and let's get to this. So Ethereum, nearly 1.1 million people on the watch list, currently sitting at 1,266.95. It's down 1.4% for the day. Its market cap 152.7 billion. Trading volume is 4 billion. The fully diluted valuation is 152. Yeah, so basically market cap and fully diluted valuation are the same. Circulating supply is 120 million. Total supply is 120 million, and continuation of burning is happening. So let's have a squiz here. So basically, boom, check this out. Ethereum is way back here at the 2018 high. It's currently sitting at around that level. So pretty much decent area for support. Look, guys, to be very honest with you, looking at this chart right now, it doesn't look like Ethereum would come anywhere near back down to these levels again, which for me was about the 500 level. So that would $535. That would be the maximum it would see a bit of pain. But to be very honest with you, we've already had boom and boom. So it's time for it to kind of just start capitulating and heading on its way back up. Its total high, and it's down from total high of 74%. Its total high is $4,878, and basically from its all-time low about 7 years ago, it's up nearly 300%. So very interesting that this coin has already made that much gains, and we could potentially, at the very least, we could see this 10x from its all-time high. So that would take it to about $50,000 per one Ethereum, which is pretty reasonable. And let's go and do this calculation. We're going to do this a little bit backwards today. So let's go and take 50,000, okay, divided by its current price of 1266.97 equals, so you would 39x your money from where it is today when it hits $50,000 per one Ethereum. Okay, so 39x your money. Okay, so let's go and now take the market cap and let's see if that is a possible achievable number for Ethereum to hit at some point in the future. So boom, paste, okay, boom. So that would take Ethereum to a $6 trillion market cap when it eventually reaches that point. You know, currently the entire crypto market space is just under 1 trillion. So this is what I'm saying. So I think most people have, and I'm going to speak a little bit more on this coin specifically. Most people think that Ethereum has the potential to hit 50,000, boom, like today, the end of the year. So many people said the end of the year. But if you look at a number like this, in order to do a 39x and hit $50,000 per one Ethereum, you'd have to have a $6 trillion market cap. And the entire crypto market space hasn't even seen that just yet. However, in saying that, of course, there is going to be a massive bull run coming very, very soon to us all. And those who are investing in these coins at these prices, even if you 3x, 4x your money, you know, you've made incredible money. You took $1,000 and you got $1,200 and you could have made it to $5,000. I mean, why wouldn't you do that? So, you know, you're up huge profit there. So, I mean, that's 400% gains. So very interesting to see this. So I just wanted to share that on Ethereum, because Ethereum, if you think about it, I mean, Bitcoin at that point, I mean, we're talking to $200 trillion market cap. Maybe Bitcoin could end up being 25 to 40 trillion at that point. I'll do a calculation on that video specifically one day. I'm going to speak very, very much on Bitcoin, so we'll have a little conversation about that. But in the interim, at this point, $6 trillion seems to be a far-fetched number at this point, but one day it could get there. So Ethereum is one of those. You can also stake Ethereum and make some good bang for your money from Ethereum. So let's have a look at, and yeah, of course you saw that chart. Here is the Ethereum chart right now. I spoke about this on my other videos. So it looks as though we're bottoming out here on Ethereum, looking pretty strong for a bottom out. So let's be patient, let's wait, and let's just see what happens from there. Okay, the next coin I'm gonna speak about is, okay, BNB. So of course, BNB is number 4th on the crypto market cap. Its current market cap is sitting at just under 47 billion, and the current coin price is $287. And let's go and have a quick squiz at where we've come from. So BNB has got 610,000 people on the watch lists. Its market cap is 46 billion, fully diluted valuation 57 billion, trading volume 650 million, circulating supply is 163, just over 163 million. Maximum supply is just 200 million. So very, very beautiful, because look at this. Look at where this coin came from, and look where it busted up now. Look where it's going to sit. It ain't going to come below $200 again, guys. So, you know, at this point, you're pretty much accumulating in such an incredible way. Look how BNB has held itself up, while everybody else has had 75 to 85% drawdown so far. And basically, we're looking at $686 as it being its high, and it's currently 722,000% up from its all-time low at 0.3 cents. Now let us go and have a little squiz at the market cap. Sorry, what were we going to do here? We were going to say, yeah, a lot of people say that BNB can probably hit about 5,000 a coin. I mean, of course, these things could go much higher, everyone, but yeah, let's just go and say 5,000 divided by 287.47. So BNB could eventually give us a 17x on your money. Okay, that's not so bad. I mean, even double your money is good. So 2x on your money is great. So now we're going to times this by the current market cap, and we get $816 billion market cap. It is pretty achievable, considering that Binance is the biggest exchange in the world right now, and is pretty much working towards making sure that the crypto space grows. So, well, enjoy that growth, because that's a pretty decent growth for Binance at this point. And I do see a lot of funds coming into Binance for sure over the future. And of course, Binance is an incredible place to be. I do use Binance mostly for purchasing my coins, Binance, Valor, and a couple others. If we have a look here, I mean, you can't really draw it, but if you draw this, it looks as though it could have broken out already of its trend. If I had to draw a line down here, boom, I have to draw this trend line down here, pretty much it looks like it's broken out already. And we're just waiting for Bitcoin to basically start galloping off before all of the rest of them start galloping off. So I think in BNB we're at a pretty good place. We've got good support here, and yeah, even though we hit a bit of resistance, it's okay. We're out, and the top of BNB will end up back at its all-time high, which means that you would currently about 3x your 2.8x your money from where it is today. So yeah, pretty exciting about BNB. Coin number 3 is XRP. So XRP, guys, let's go and have a squiz here at XRP. XRP currently is number 7 and has a $19.6 billion market cap. Well, that's pretty interesting, considering it's on 511,000 people's watch list. It's having still got the court matter. Market cap 19.6 billion, fully diluted valuation 38.9 billion. Trading volume 547 million. Circulating supply 50.3 billion. Total supply just under 100 billion. Maximum supply 100 billion. So pretty interesting there. XRP's all-time high pretty much was at $3.40. We're down 88.5%. Of course, from the court case, etc., a lot of stuff is happening. We're up 14,387% on XRP, and very, very interesting. We're at this point here because this is pretty much its solid level that it's found support on over many cycles and many years. Pretty much all the way back since 2017. It hasn't come any lower than this point right now. So that's the chart on XRP. We already know that there's a bigger triangle within a smaller triangle. The smaller triangle, we seem to have broken it to the upside. It seems that most crypto has broken their triangles to the upside, but we're waiting for the horses to gallop for that confirmation. Here's the bigger triangle. Boom. And once this bigger triangle breaks, definitely the absolute minimum could come up there. A lot of people are predicting that XRP would be basically the bank of the world. So cool. I'm not sure on that. I don't have any comments to pass on that. But what I can say is that even cheaper than Binance, I use Ripple. So in other words, like when I'm sending whatever, if I use my rands to buy on Valor, I'll buy XRP and send it to a different exchange, and then transact that into USD probably and buy the other crypto and that I'm looking at, whatever that crypto might be. And I do that because the fees are ridiculously cheap, and within 3 minutes, maybe 5 minutes at the absolute maximum, your Ripple's there in your wallet. So it's cheap, it's fast, and pretty much seamless. So yeah, I love Ripple. I do have quite a bit of Ripple myself, and I will continue to invest more into Ripple too. So you know, some people predicting that XRP can get to a $589 level, which would be very interesting. So let's take that and divide it by its current price. Okay, and let's see what kind of X gains that would be. Oh no. Okay, let's go backspace. So 0.389036 equals, so this is saying a 1513x. Well, if Ripple ends up being the bank of the world as an example, then I could believe that this kind of liquidity could come into Ripple's space, but that will obviously be dependent on what happens from the court case with Ripple. So 1513x, let's see what that would do to its current $19 billion market cap. And that's, you know, we'll have to do Bitcoin one day. Times, boom. Okay, that would take us to a 29 trillion. So 29 trillion out of the 200 trillion. I'm actually going to have to come back here on these videos and see what I've done here so that I can share this with you, because basically the crypto would end up looking like a portfolio and how you manage a portfolio, because at the end of the day, like if there's a $200 trillion market cap, Bitcoin is X trillion, call it 100 trillion, Ripple's 30 trillion, Ethereum is 10 trillion, BNB is whatever, 6 trillion, and the rest of it's like whatever, 5 trillion, 10 trillion, whatever it could be. That's amazing to see what those could end up looking like, because that would mean that a lot of cryptocurrency projects, and I'll say as an example, Verasity, which is currently sitting at about a $45 million market cap, you know, could go into the billions quite easily. So, and yeah, I mean, so it is huge potential, guys. That's what I'm saying. So very, very beautiful. I don't know. I mean, this $589 was put on The Simpsons as well. And as we all know, The Simpsons are a predictor of many things of what happens in the future, and what has happened politically or evolutionary or what it was or whatever it might be. Simpsons obviously points out quite a substantial amount of that. Coin number 3. Coin number 4 is, as we all know, Polygon. Polygon-matic. Polygon. Matic. Come to Matic. Anyways, guys, 486,000 people's watch lists, $8 billion market cap, trading volume 273 million, fully diluted 9 billion, and total value locked 6.7 billion. So that's pretty decent there. Fully diluted valuation to total value locked is 1.3 ratio, which is decent. Circulating supply 8.9 billion. As you can see, 8.9 billion is pretty close to the fully diluted valuation and currently at the current market price. That's where you get it from, right? So 10 billion coins, 90 cents a coin, 9 billion is what it is. So it's not 10 billion, it's 9 billion. You see, so you see how market cap versus price versus circulating supply or total supply or max supply actually works and functions. So and then there's the ratio when you value the total value locked in your portfolio. So let's go see this. So 10 billion, its all-time high was up at $2.92, and it's only down 68% from its all-time high, but it's up 28,800%. Also looks like a little bit like Ethereum and Ripple, where they found a bottom here. Look, I'd like Matic to get above this price, which is probably the $1 price. I'd like it to get back above there, but right now, while it's down here, it's a good cheap place to be buying Matic, okay? Because the likelihood of it going even further down is a little bit unlikely, okay? However, let us just have a little squiz at something here. So a lot of people do believe that Polygon will probably do 100x on your money. So that would take us 100x. That would take us to $9 and $90. So $90 to $100 Polygon. So let's go and work out $100 Polygon. Okay. So $100 divided by 0.907945 equals, so 110x on your money. So times by the market cap, which would take us to $895 billion market cap. Do you think that's possible in the future? It's going to make up pretty much just under, well, this is the number that the market cap is currently today. So do you think Polygon could inhale that market cap in the future? Very likely, possibly, with all of the devs and the development that is happening on Polygon. And Polygon is obviously a fork of Ethereum and has a huge potential for inhaling volume and that. So I like Solana as well. I'm not going to speak about Solana on this one, but I chose to, instead of speaking about Solana, and have a look at the Matic chart there. You can see there very clearly that Matic, and I'll just quickly draw a little line in here so that you can see that Matic is at a very pretty critical point. So look, it's either finding support here and will continue its trend up, and you would have missed the train of buying Matic at that point. The crash is further down here. I don't see it coming below the 35 cents level again. That would be an insane place to scoop up Matic again, guys. Okay, but that's it for Matic. And the fifth and final coin for us on this video is Avalanche. AVAX. 301,000 people's watch lists, and current coin price is 13.40. Current market cap is 4 billion. Trading volume 98 million. Fully diluted 9.6 billion, circulating supply 310 billion, 310 million, total supply 415 million, and maximum supply 720 million. So where's all the rest of it? Are you going to just launch it out on us? Will you drop the price? Who knows? The highest point it's ever been is a $144 price, which is 90% down. So if you're buying and it's up from its old 2020 low 2 years ago, and that's why I say, guys, that's all the way down here. I don't think it's going to reach that point. And that, so AVAX pretty much, yeah, doing very damn well. It's sitting at $13. I don't think it could. I mean, it could come a little bit further, maybe down to these lows, which is about $10, $8 to $10. But look, guys, I don't really see that happening. And let's just go and do. I mean, it's basically down. Let's just call it 11x. 144 divided by 13.42. Currently down. And so if it had to go up to its all-time high, you'd be basically getting 10.7x your money. So 11x. Okay. But let's just say that Avalanche goes and it does a 1,000, let's call it a $1,500 price, which I do believe that it could hit. $1,500 divided by 13.42 would give us a 111.77x. I do believe that that is very highly possible. And then that would take our current market cap from 4.1 billion to 465 billion, which is a pretty achievable target at that point, considering what AVAX and AVAX DEX, Joe or Trader Joe are doing in their space. Trader Joe is their DEX, or decentralized exchange. Actually, guys, I'm blown away by what you can do in this crypto space. And let's just give you a basic average here of everything that we've done. We've taken the top 5 coins, and basically the average between all of them was, so Ethereum was a 50x gain plus 111x gain for Avalanche, plus BNB was an 11x also. Okay, so that would be that plus let's just say XRP's 1,500x gains, and then what was the other one? AVAX. So we're busy doing AVAX. Okay, so that's equal to 1,685. Now we divide it by 5 coins, and we'll get the average of 337 x gains. So if you had to take, if you had to invest $1,000 into each of those coins, your average return, so you're putting 5,000 times 337, you would basically get a return of 1.685 million back off of your 5,000 investment. So your profit is 1.68 million. Look at that. Why wouldn't you do that? Well, I would be patient and I would wait for 5,000 to convert into 1.68 million, and I'm sure you would too. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I thoroughly enjoyed doing this video for you guys as well. If you have any questions, you want to know more about these top 5 cryptos, come over here. You can check on CoinGecko, the website here, their websites, their dexes, their information, the communities, their source codes, APIs, tags, all of it. Market cap, everything. Come over to CoinGecko. CoinGecko is my favorite coin market cap space. So yeah, come on over, enjoy the space here too. Thank you for being here with me. Please remember to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell.